Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We're going to rock and roll today. We got a 1969 Z28 high performance Camaro. It has been body off frame, nut and bolt restored to factory specifications. Beautiful Dover white with the black and white houndstooth interior. The seats are what really sold me on this car. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, study all the pictures. You'll find a price tag along with a monthly finance option on every car at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when a new video is posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the Z28, they were designed to compete in the Trans Am racing, and 305 cubic inch was the maximum, so it's a 302. Competed against the Boss 302 and the Challenger TA and the AAR CUDA. So they're high performance, the suspension, the steering, the whole shebang. It's a performance-built car. But anyway, body was off the frame, restored, probably done 10, 12 years ago, because they replaced all the factory stickers and paint markings, and a sticker is torn or a little corrosion on a nut or a bolt, so it's not brand new fresh, but it's definitely high quality. The fuel system's all replaced, the tank is shiny, has the correct reproduction exhaust system with the transverse sideways muffler and the slash cut tips. The complete suspension front and back is all rebuilt, all the springs, bushings, steering components, you name it, that's all been rebuilt. Brakes have been all redone, has the e-brake cables, has disc brakes in front. You look up at the motor, it's nice, fresh Chevy orange. The transmission is a correct Muncie 4-speed transmission. It's an M20 close ratio. In back, it has the correct 410 posi. It has the two letters B, V like Volo, stamped on the rear end, so it is a correct 410 posi for this car. The floors have been restored. It's all clean metal, so underneath the car is really very nice. Now let's check out the body. It has a metal cowl induction hood. This is all straight, actually real straight. No issues here. Looking down the side of the car, it is really straight. This lines up nice, no rust, no bubbles, no door dents. This is really nice. The gaps are right on, nice and smooth right around here, all the way to the bottom, all nice and smooth. It has spoilers. You always see them with spoilers. That was an option, though. It does have them. Now as the back end comes around, this is straight as an arrow. The trunk fits beautifully. This is all looking really good. Yeah, the body is excellent on this car. This side's just as nice. Repainted, it's code 50. That's Dover white. It's polished smooth like glass. The stripes are painted on. The dimensions look correct to me. Back here, notice it has bumper guards. That's because this was the only Camaro to have 15-inch wheels. It raised it up. The bumper was too high for regulations, so they had to put bumper guards on there to meet regulations. But that all looks new. Marker lights look new. It's letter B on the tag for a black vinyl top. It's in excellent shape. A little bit of the black paint inside this trim is flaked off a little bit. The rear glass looks like it's new. This has the exterior trim package. So it has the rain gutters, the louvers, and wheel well moldings. All that stuff looks new. The handles, the mirrors, all this trim, the wiper arms, Z28. All looks new. Got a nice looking grill. Windshield's been replaced. The rubber weather strips, window fuzzy seals have been replaced. Has a correct reproduction antenna. Reproduction Firestone wide oval tires. Still has the nubs on the tread. They have hardly any miles. They're the 15-inch rally wheels. Like I said, the Z28 was the only Camaro to get those at that time. Back ones are in real nice shape too. So there you go. That's the outside of the car. Let's open it up, give you a tour of the inside. All right, let's see what it looks like in the trunk. Under the trunk lid is painted smooth and glossy. We got the stickers. The jam is painted glossy, new weather strip. Looks like they spent the extra, and it's got a reproduction tire for a spare. The wheels either new or restored. Has a complete jack assembly. Put in the wrong spot. That's probably reproduction because it looks new. Got a new mat. It's all spatter painted. The housings, the wiring, everything looks really nice inside the trunk compartment. Clean and complete, as everything is supposed to. These Z28s are continuing the climb. The big auction over the weekend. Some real prime examples brought in the $300,000 range. Door jambs are real nice. Weather strips are replaced. It's a deluxe interior, so it has the molded door panels. It looks like it's been replaced. It's in real nice shape. The dash area is real nice. It's deluxe, so it has wood grain trim. But the vents, the plastic's all real good. Has the optional clock. $7 grand tachometer. Heater control panel looks good. Original radio. The dash pad, all the trim. It's all looking really nice. Reproduction floor mats, a new carpet. Got the right console with the gauges. Got a Hurst 4-speed. A little bit of wear on the chrome. A little bit of pitting on the original seatbelt buckle. But overall very good. The other seatbelt's kind of stuck down in here. There we go. But the nice houndstooth upholstered seats. They got new cushions. The upholstery looks to be in excellent shape. Steering wheel is probably new reproduction. Back seat, side panels, rear speaker shelf, the trim around the window, all looks good. Has a few wrinkles on the sail panel. But the headliner itself is tight as a drum. Dome light works. Looks like we're missing the shoulder belts though. Yeah, it's a really nice car. Again, nut and bolt restored, but it's an 8 out of a 10. It's not a brand new restoration. It's not a 10, but it's a really nice car, folks. That's the legendary DZ302 motor. The VIN number on the front does match the car, so it's considered numbers matching. The casting code on the back is correct. It has the double hump heads. It has the correct aluminum intake. Thinned aluminum valve covers. This one has the functional cowl induction system. That was an option. Firewalls painted nice. The squirters are hooked up. Has GM hoses. Has spark plug shields around the plugs. Has deep groove pulley. That's so the belts don't fly off at high RPM. Actually, it's just on the alternator, not the other ones. Spring clamp battery cables, the right horns, the shroud. It does have power steering, has power brakes. Overall, very nice condition. I really like this car, the colors. Even my daughter walked past and said, that car is sharp. Think of all the 69 Camaros or Z28s you've seen. When have you seen a white one, black stripes, and then also the houndstooth seats? We see blue ones all the time, silver ones all the time. This color combination is very unusual in my opinion. So you got a great car, 69 Z28. That little 302 will really surprise you. It's a spunky little motor. They were rated at 290 horsepower, but all the books say that that was underrated. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They can help answer your questions. They can help get this delivered to your door, finance it, whatever you need at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.